How to unsave pins on Pinterest on PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsave pins on Pinterest using your PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Go to Pinterest.com using any web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner to open your profile. Here you'll see all your saved boards and pins. Open the board where the saved pin is located. Scroll through the board to find the pin you want to unsave. Hover over the pin and click on it to open the full view. Look for the three-dot menu on the top right corner of the pin. Click on Edit Pin or Remove from Board, depending on the option available. Select Remove or Delete Pin to unsave it from your board. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Remove to finalize the process. And that's it! The pin has been unsaved from your Pinterest board. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.